In today's video, I'm going to teach you create an unread folder in Outlook. If you've moved to the new Outlook experience, you've probably noticed that some features work a little differently. In new Outlook, traditional search folders are limited, so the quickest way to mimic an unread view there is to lean on favorites and categories to create quick views. Think of favorites as a short list of places you check all the time, and categories as flexible labels you can filter with. That combination can give you a fast snapshot of what needs your attention, even if it isn't the classic unread search folder. If you want the most reliable, full-featured method for creating a dedicated unread folder, the best fix is to switch back to classic Outlook. Look at the top right of the new Outlook window for the toggle that says something like, "Try the new Outlook," and turn it off. Outlook will switch you back to the classic version, where search folders are fully supported and behave consistently. Once you're in classic Outlook, head to the Folder tab in the ribbon. This tab is where Outlook keeps tools for organizing your mailbox beyond just reading and replying. In the new group, click New Search Folder. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the same dialog. A dialog box will appear with a list of pre-built search options. Scroll to the Reading Mail section, which collects shortcuts for common message views. Select Unread Mail. This choice tells Outlook to create a virtual folder that automatically gathers all unread messages for the mailbox you're in, without moving or copying anything. It's just a smart view that stays up to date as you read or receive messages. Click OK to confirm. You'll now see an unread mail folder under the Search Folders section on the left side of your folder list. If you don't see search folders, expand your mailbox in the navigation pane and it will appear. The unread mail folder updates in real time and reflects the current state of your inbox and subfolders within that account, so you can use it as a single place to triage new items. Remember, because it's a search folder, marking a message as read or moving it elsewhere will automatically update what shows up here. If you prefer staying in new Outlook, keep using favorites and categories to surface what's important until full search folder parity returns. Otherwise, the classic experience gives you this unread view with just a few clicks. That's it. Thanks for watching.